Come on, we can look in Anglo. Speak in English. Okat drab.
Rainforests are the oldest living ecosystems on the planet. Some can trace their origins to over 70 million years ago.
Wow,
To a time when
that's
dinosaurs still
lovely,
roamed the earth.
cute animal.
While the giant reptiles have disappeared, rainforests continue to thrive, growing on every continent except Antarctica.
I'm
Two types of
expressing
rainforests
my
are scattered
emotions.
across the globe: temperate and tropical.
Not
Temperate rainforests are mainly found in the mid-latitudes, often near cooler, coastal, mountainous regions. Tropical rainforests are primarily located in warmer climates between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn.
Tropic of Cancer.
As their names imply, temperate and tropical rainforests are the wettest forests on Earth, receiving up to about 33 feet of rain per year. This precipitation plays a
So
critical
that
role in
means
creating an exceptionally lush and biologically diverse habitat.
So do you understand what actually means it falls 10 meters of water?
Yeah.
What actually that means? Can you tell me?
A lot of rain.
A lot of rain. But then how do they calculate that water? Is it 10 buckets?
Flood.
Okay, yeah, and but then buckets, do they have a whole like pool, and then okay, 10 square meters or whatever?
Yeah.
No, not really. Okay, so there is actually, you told one thing, truth. It's like a big bucket for the water, which is actually gathering the water, yeah. And every time the rain falls, it just have some measurement on the side, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you understand, Luna, as well? So it really doesn't matter how much rain falls in a whole pool or just in a bucket, because the rain falls everywhere equally, right?
Yeah.
So if there is like measurement on the side of this bucket, and it just shows, okay, just a bit lifted up, so that's how much it just gathered water during that period of time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in whole year, they calculated that it's in rainforest falls about 10 meters of water. So can you imagine? It's actually higher than our house, because our house it's about 7 meters. So 10 meters of water. That would be quite a flood, I must say. Can you imagine that yourself?
Yeah.
Only make up about 6% of
Oh.
Earth's surface area. They are home to over half of the world's plant and animal species. This biodiversity creates benefits that extend far beyond the rainforest boundaries. Rainforest plants produce an assortment of food items, in addition to ingredients useful in everyday products and medicines. In fact, an estimated 70% of the plants used in cancer treatments are only found in rainforests. On an even larger scale, rainforests help to stabilize the planet's climate. Its lush green vegetation regulate global temperatures by absorbing massive amounts of radiation from the sun. They also absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and convert them into oxygen, about 40% of the planet's breathable air. Over the past few centuries, rainforests have disappeared at an alarming rate. Factors such as economic inequalities, human development, and demand for natural resources have fueled the deforestation of these rich ecosystems. At the current rate, rainforests, which have survived for over 70 million years, may completely disappear within the next century. But through educational campaigns, sustainable logging practices, and cooperation with local communities, deforestation may begin to slow down, helping preserve rainforests for many generations to come.
Read.
Yeah, it's a very short one.
Yes.
So, what's the importance of rainforest? Hmm? Luna,
What?
what is the importance for the earth of the rainforest?
A lot of water.
A lot of water, yeah, well, and what else?
Plants.
Lots of plants growing, and what do they do?
Clear out the air.
Yeah, they help the
Trees to
Mhm.
clear out the air.
Mm-hmm. Yes, true. Because the rainforest makes, as it was told, 40% of the whole Earth oxygen. Can you imagine how powerful this rainforest is?
I saw some humans like with their boats flowing around everywhere.
Yeah. We're flowing.
And the lake
Mm-hmm.
of the trees growing.
You mean Amazon River?
Huh?
Amazon River? Because it's
Amazon is a shop where is.
no, it's just being named after this river. Because rainforest.
Amazon in that. Amazon in that shop.
Okay, I will show you Amazon, not the shop, but the river. Okay? Just know the shop.
No.
No,
Look,
she
look,
knows
look,
only the
look,
shop.
Look,
Amazon, jungle. Yes. Was
Amazon finds.
Amazon finds? No, there isn't.
The Amazon rainforest is in almost every tourist's dream, as it is the biggest forest in the world. It has been recorded that the forest is home to more than 30 million insect species and other animals too. It generates around 21% of the total oxygen of the world, so you can guess its importance. With number 7, poison dart frog.
Oh, dart
Poison
frog.
dart frogs are some of the most colorful creatures you'll find in the Amazon rainforest. They are generally found in rainforests of Costa Rica, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela. But beware, their bright coloration.
So why is it called dart frog? Can you tell me?
I don't know.
Dart. What that means? This word. Dart.
You like a dart?
A what? Pictures me like a dot.
What?
Okay, now explain you. Can you explain that to me,
It
please?
shoots at you like a dart.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I think well, Luna, do you know why they are being called dart frogs?
I don't know what means dart.
Dart is something spiky which can be thrown in games, yeah, but not always in games.
We have darts.
Yes, but then jungle people are the ones who are living there, and they used to have some guns. I mean,
Bullet.
not the bullets, but how you call
What?
dot? Basically, they would have a dot with a spiky end. They would just there is the frog here. That's the frog. They would take the dot, the spiky bit, and just rub it, and the frog would be so angry and just would release all the poison, yeah, and then they would rub it, and then here is poisoned dots, and just would shoot any animal or some enemy with it, and then it would die. Enemy.
No. Anime like the. I'm gonna have to push.
No. So do you get it? Why it is called then dot frog?
A warning. These brightly colored species of frogs have great toxicity and levels of alkaloids poison, which they secrete through their skin, which is absorbed in large amounts and can cause heart failure within minutes.
Oh.
The golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous species of the family. It is estimated that they contain enough venom to kill 10 adult humans. In the
But
Amazon,
it looks
they
so
found in
cute.
marshes, lakes, swamps, streams, and rivers. In the wild, the poisonous dart frogs gain the highly dangerous poison from their diets, such as ants, centipedes,
That's
and
how just
Notice
guess
we're
it.
showing a defensive display by lifting their body and hind legs. This
Yes.
spider is regarded as the world's most venomous
Okay,
spider
you
and
just
potential
explain
enough
me
to
later,
harm
yeah?
humans. An antidote has been found for them. It is one of the largest species of centipedes in the world and known to be very aggressive. This centipede can grow up to 10 to 12 inches long and is another fierce predator in the Amazon rainforest, feeding on anything it can kill. Yes, anything from insects,
A what?
tarantula, small
There's
birds,
a little
lizards,
centipede that lives
frogs,
in one of my
mice,
plants.
small snakes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and even bats.
Which one?
They coil their bodies around
Green
their prey,
one.
eating it while it is still
Why
alive.
I remember
The
that
centipede's primary weapons for killing
Somewhere,
prey are a pair of
when I
modified
saw
legs
something
called
in
forceps.
the forest.
I saw
The
it 2
centipede uses
times
Yeah.
now.
forceps to penetrate the body of
Yeah?
the victim
Don't
and
you
inject
want
a highly
to
toxic
remove
venom
it?
into the
Yeah.
bloodstream.
It can grow.
Humans can't be eaten, but if they get bit bugs. Many people assume that mosquitoes, and bugs more generally, are a universal presence in places like the Amazon. Mosquitoes thrive in hot and humid tropical environments, and the Amazon rainforest provides the ideal conditions for these insects. For a visitor to the Amazon rainforest,
Yes.
mosquitoes are perhaps the most dangerous creatures.
Mosquitoes.
There
You
are
missed
around
them
39
here
species
already.
of insects
That's why you
residing
want
in
to
the
go
Amazon,
to jungle.
ranging in everything from wasps, beetles,
They will eat
dragonflies,
you
and ants,
alive.
to mosquitoes, moths, caterpillars,
I'm
grasshoppers,
looking for
spiders,
snow.
and
Yeah,
plenty
yeah.
besides. A bite from the mosquitoes might cause malaria and yellow fever. Tourists
Yes.
in the Amazon are advised
Fever.
to take necessary precautions to
Not
avoid mosquito bites,
usual,
which
but
include
yellow.
fever vaccinations
Yellow
and
fever.
mosquito repellent creams and other related preventive measures. And two, this picture seems
Anaconda.
like it was photoshopped, but we get the reason why someone would edit it. Amazon is home to the biggest snake in the world, known as a green anaconda. They are over 30 feet long
Oh,
and
yeah.
weighing over 500 pounds.
It
lurks
can
in the Amazon,
swallow the horse.
lying in wait for prey. Because of its size, it can move stealthily and quickly, and can kill jaguars, caimans, wild pigs, deer, and even humans, especially children. This non-venomous species found in South America,
Especially children.
swamps,
The
and
yummy,
marshes
yummy,
of
yummy.
Venezuela, Brazil, Ecuador, and Peru.
What?
I think the best
Nothing.
for last, but first, I have a
So, oh, jaguar.
Jaguars are among the most endangered and deadliest Amazon rainforest animals, obviously due to human interventions. Measuring 43 to 75 inches in length and up to 135 kilograms
Oh.
in weight, the jaguar
What?
is the
So
largest
cute.
member
What?
You can't hear anything.
Yeah, just maybe a bit ill. So, can you repeat that?
The jaguar is well adapted to kill.
Blah, blah, blah,
The diet
blah.
of the jaguar is wide and includes at least 87 species. Although humans do not feature in this
It's
diet,
very
it is easy for
chubby.
a jaguar to kill
It's just almost not
Jaguars are
moving.
efficient killing machine that employs suffocation and deep throat bite techniques to kill its prey. Even though both jaguars and leopards have the same kind of patterns, jaguars are heavier than leopards.
No, now it's not chubby. It just was drawn chubby.
They are distributed
Now it's
throughout
skinny.
Asia.
Do you want it to be
They
all
hunt typically at
bone?
dawn and dusk.
Hmm.
Jaguars will make a sudden attack on their prey. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, they will crush the skull of the prey within no time. That is our list of the 10 most dangerous animals of the Amazon rainforest.
Mm-hmm.
Which ones have you seen? with your own
So, in conclusion, what you liked best?
Jaguar.
Jaguar. So, do you know that Black Panther is actually black jaguar?
Yeah.
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 So, what would you do yourself? Okay, can you just sit
What
up?
will I do?
Okay, what will Okay, explain your day in the jungle.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's not red.
Never mind. Okay.
What?
No.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to talk to you right now. I want to find out what would you do in the jungle for one day.
You mean everything?
Every day. Yes, I wonder for how long. Luna, can you just be, please? Yes. Hmm?
I don't know. Live.
Okay, so you get up in the morning. What do you do?
Nothing.
Brush my teeth. Eat food. Breakfast.
What food would you eat in the jungle?
In Brazil.
Can you just speak up? Cause washing machine is
You're in Brazil. You can eat normal food.
normal food, but there is no normal food in the jungle.
In the store.
In the store, where is the store in the jungle?
I didn't say I'm gonna live inside the jungle.
You wanted to live in the jungle.
No. I said I wanted to live in Brazil.
Brazil.
This. Oh.
Okay, so you don't want to go to the jungle. You just want to live in Brazil.
Yes.
What?
Besides the jungle.
Why you made such a conclusion that you want to live in Brazil?
That's private.
Oh, private.
Yeah.
Again, so much privacy. Okay. Oh, or maybe that's why I gotta show you. Beep, beep. Maybe that's why you wanna be in that parade every year. Woohoo! And that's with shake it. Yes. Yeah. Why not? So the parade, it's called Rio de Janeiro parade. It's
Can we go there?
it's every year.
Can we go there?
Yes, shake it. It's a bit expensive. Oh yeah, you just remembered something. Yes, it's not Spanish, as you thought before, maybe, or English. Oh, you thought it's English? Yeah, just you can start learning now.
Bobby!
Over there, it's quite normal. They would shake. They put it, and they. Oh, you wanna shake?
Not for my teeth. Test
You just forgot your language. What language is that? Don't get ya.
You forget your own language.
I just need other languages now.
You forgot your own language.
No, I didn't forget. Wow. Well, you can take Google and try to translate with the Google what they speak. I wonder where it will get you. Oh.
How about it's enough?
How long would it take for the world's largest rainforest to burn down? If we don't do anything to stop it, we'll soon find out. The Amazon rainforest creates 20% of the Earth's oxygen. It's home to 30% of the planet's species.
20%.
And it holds the
Amazon.
secrets to
Because
treating
there are
some of the most
rainforests all
deadly
over the
diseases.
world.
If we destroy
Yeah,
the
not
Amazon
only
rainforest, the
Amazon.
consequences would be disastrous, and they'd be felt all over the world. Could we survive without it? We all quickly realize how much we've been relying on the Amazon's resources for food and medicine. Most people are surprised when they find out that hundreds of prescription drugs have come from things in the Amazon rainforest. We're not just talking about simple herbal remedies either. We're talking about full-fledged cancer-fighting drugs that are so important that they've been classified as essential medicines by the World Health Organization. And we haven't even scratched the surface yet. Scientists estimate that they've studied less than 5% of the plants in the rainforest for potential medicinal benefits. So who knows what other essential treatments we could lose without the rainforest? But the most critical problem we'd face if the Amazon completely disappeared would be a faster pace of climate change. If the Amazon rainforest continues to wither and die, it will stop being a source of oxygen. Instead, it will begin to give off carbon, which we all know is fueling climate change. Right now, the Amazon has a natural stockpile of carbon reserves, anywhere from 90 to 140 billion tons of the stuff. If we woke up tomorrow and found the Amazon destroyed, especially by fire, all that carbon would be floating in the atmosphere. Some experts believe that if this happens, we would lose the battle against climate change. But it's not all doom and gloom. There is still hope for the Amazon rainforest. Through studies conducted over the past several decades, researchers have found that tropical forests may be able to survive human-caused destruction. Even without human help, a rainforest can start growing again if it has enough seedlings. However, this can only be successful if the rainforest isn't always under attack. So, what can you do to help? Well, for starters, don't eat as much beef.
Oh yeah.
Beef products such as fast food
So you do something good for the planet, yeah?
reduce the amount of paper you use
And you don't as well. So yeah. You just
renewable
well,
energy
don't
reduces the
eat.
amount of carbon we spew into the atmosphere from fossil fuels.
Okay,
What?
I'm
Come from the
vegetarian.
rainforest.
You don't eat beef.
Maybe
That's for sure.
If we
I
all
know.
work together, we can restore this beautiful rainforest to its former glory. But that's a topic for another What If.
So what? Apart from that, just don't eat beef, and that's it. That's the most important bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't eat meat a lot.
But then how?
Looking at me for?
But then, wait. How is that connected with the trees? Eating beef and
Them.
so we had just have a discussion.
You can just ask them in the comments.
Oh yeah.
Simple.
Yes.
Where is the comments?
Comments.
Comments.
Yeah.